Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon at the bottom left corner with a photo and a camera. Following that, you can click on your photos right away or select Gallery section over here. Then choose your photos by tapping on the chosen ones. And when you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!